Hey guys, Apex Luke's here. Today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this bike. I guess you say it Genesis, or I think it's how you say it. It's a Genesis Incline. It's a 29er. To make one thing clear, it's not my bike, but I'm going to be honest as possible on it, as much as possible. So to start things off with, it's got a 3x7 drivetrain. It has the same flat face derailleur as my bike does, but the front one is a little different. And this seat is pretty nice for a stock seat, if I do say so myself. But up here, it's got micro shift. Wait, what are these? These are Revo shift with shifters. It's got 2 bolts holding this on. And this is not a tapered, but it's better than threaded, I guess. But you could improve all of this. You could, if you want to take the time, you could probably make this a taper. You could make this 4 bolts. You could shorten the stem. And this bike's a little big for me, but I'm still gonna do it riding on it. It's got front disc brake in the rear. It's got a front disc brake, a rear rim brake, but it's got a braking surface on it. The rear ones work better than the front ones, but it's got this kickstand back here. It's pretty good, but unless you bend it, then it's gonna hit the tire. These tires are nice. I like them because they're nice and wide. They got plenty of grip on them. So we'll see what she'll do. I take down this little trail we have on the side of the road, but I cannot get this bike running. So and my feet hit the tires, but oh well, it doesn't matter. I barely made that. I don't know how much millimeters of travel this has, but I don't know how much it is. Probably, I don't know. I don't know how much. It's a little stiff. It's a little stiff, which is pretty good, but it'll get worked into the future. Now let's see what we can do next. We can go for a little skid drift and see how much we can do. Also, I'm not sponsored by this brand. That was a little tacky. Let's see if we can rip a little wheelie here. Can't do it very good. Easy. Now let's see if we can get back up. We'll see how fast we can get this thing. How fast is guesstimating?